a very small balcony here. The balcony has got the original substrate on and the original waterproofing. It's just an old zinc covering. Due to different bits and pieces, we're just going to be putting a liquid waterproofing coat over this today. We're using AH25 by Quest Construction Products. It's a 25-year system. It's a Hydrostop, so it's cures with the moisture in the atmosphere. About a 2-hour curing time. We're using, obviously James is doing here, we're just putting the upstand details on. He's soaked the floor layer and we're just going over the zinc now. The zinc can't come out the walls because it's all tied in with the render, and all the walls are alive, being an old yellow stock brick. Yeah, this particular system, this is a 25-year guaranteed system. It's self-terminating on wall junctions. You see James just going across the top of it now, wet on wet product, embedding the fleecing. The fleece is like it acts as a binder and holds the liquid together, and it makes it highly flexible, especially for on a metal deck like this is, just so that it allows the zinc covering to expand and contract, and also it will move with the zinc. That's hence the reason. If we were to put a bitumen compound or bituminous felt torchon on this, we'd have had movement during the heat exchange between the two products. So a small balcony like this is ideal for something like this.